Hello friends, today I'm going to solve how to edit host file. Or you have seen the error host file being used by the another process. Some security reason antivirus block access to the host file. So check on that. If not solved, follow this video. Open your task manager. The main problem is the DNS client. If you close this DNS client, the problem is solved. If you go to the service section, service.msc, search your DNS client. Here, DNS client. There are disabled. The stop option is disabled.